morning, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, I'm coming to you today with an open invite for the Crystal Clear Tablescape 2020. Okay, now, it is being presented by Diva's Dynasty, and the members of Diva's Dynasty are Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, which is our host for this Sunday's Tablescape. The co-hosts are Mysterious Alberta, Miss Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Lynn, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, Cynthia, and myself, Geraldine, Diva Decorating. Now, what Miss Tammy wanted us to do is she wanted us to highlight a crystal table item mixed in with your crystal decor, and to include some type of florals. The colors are definitely up to you. You can style your crystal pieces however you choose. If you don't have crystal pieces, you can use your clear pieces that are transparent. Examples are your clear glass, your dishware, your vases, etc. And as you can see in my little vignette here that I have a couple of crystal pieces. Now, I don't have a lot of crystal pieces myself, so I'll probably be trying to put together more of the clear pieces, okay? So this is just to give you an idea. Now, the rules and the details for this open invite is you must be subscribed to the host and all the co-host channels. Number 2, you are to mention all the hosts in the video and the host and all the co-host links and the playlist in your description box. Number 3, title your video Crystal Clear Tablescape 2020. Number 4, use the hashtag ISeeThroughYou2020. That's again, hashtag ISeeThroughYou2020. Number 5, add your video to the playlist and upload your video on Sunday, July 26, 2020, anytime after midnight, which is our usual standard time, okay? Number 6, have some transparent fun. Yes, we all want you to have some transparent fun displaying your crystal or clear items, okay? And the flower colors of your choice. Now, if you plan on participating, please leave me a comment in the comment box, the word transparent, okay? So just put that word transparent down in my comment area, and that'll let all of us ladies know that you plan on joining and participating with us, okay? So guys, if you have not subscribed to Diva's Dynasty, please go over to these ladies' channels and give them show them some support and some love, guys, okay? And we will see you on Tablescape Sunday with your clear or crystal tablescape. Until next time, love, this is Diva Decorating. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, okay? Bye-bye, my love.